Today I'm going to show you how to use the Nova Sniper bot for Solana meme coins. This bot is crazy fast and has the lowest trading fees, giving you the edge you need in the Solana meme coin game. I'll break everything down step by step so you can start using it right away. And I'll be doing all of this from my phone so you can follow along easily. Let's get into it. Getting started with Nova Sniper. When you open the bot, the first thing you'll see is the buy button. This is where you can instantly buy any meme coin with just one tap. Super simple. Once you buy, you'll want to check positions. This is where you can track all your holdings and see exactly how much you're up or down. Next, we have wallets. This is where you can see all your connected wallets and balances in one place. If you're managing multiple wallets, this makes everything way easier to keep track of. You sit sniping coins before everyone else. Now let's talk about Nova Sniper. This is where the real power of the bot comes in. Nova lets you snipe coins as soon as they migrate from pump.fun, getting you in before most people even realize the token exists. If you're looking for an edge in trading, this is it. If you don't want to sit around waiting for entries, limit orders are your best friend. Set a price and Nova will automatically buy when the token hits that level. No need to watch charts all day. Just set it and let the bot do the work. Tracking smart money. For those who like to follow big players, Nova has copy trade. Just paste any wallet address and the bot will automatically copy trade their trades. If you know someone who's killing it in trading, this is an easy way to replicate their moves. Then there's AFK mode, which is insane. When enabled, Nova will automatically buy new pump.fun and radium tokens the second they launch, based on your filters. You set the rules, and Nova does the rest. Same thing with auto buy. When this is on, Nova instantly buys any token you paste into the chat, following your custom settings. No manual clicking, no delays. Optimizing your settings for maximum profits. Now let's talk about fees. Head over to settings and make sure you're using the best possible fees to get the fastest transactions. Personally, I keep my fees higher to get instant fills, but you can trade with as little as 0.0001 SOL. It all depends on what works best for you. You don't have to copy my exact settings. Adjust it to your style. Next, let's set up slippage. For sniping, I usually go with 50% to 80% slippage. This lets you get in even when bots are fighting for entries. For normal buys and sells, I stick to 15% to 25%. This depends on how much volume a coin is getting. Higher volume equals higher slippage needed. Now, why does slippage matter? If you're buying $100 worth of a token, slippage could mean you end up with less tokens or pay slightly more than expected. That's why you want to adjust it based on market conditions. Avoiding scams and protecting your trades. 1. Crucial setting is MEV protection. If you don't have this on, you could get hit with an MEV attack. This happens when validators manipulate orders and sandwich your transaction, causing you to get a high entry and lose money. To avoid this, I always recommend using JITO for both buying and selling, customizing quick buys and auto sells. Next, we have quick buy and quick sell. These are your custom presets. Set them up exactly how you want for fast trades. And if you want extra security, you can enable auto sell when the dev sells. I personally keep this off because sometimes a project can pump hard even if the dev isn't holding tokens, but this is up to you. Customize everything to match your trading style. Bonus tip, Nova Click extension. And if you don't want to trade on Telegram, the Nova Click extension is a game changer. It lets you trade on DEXs, making it even easier and faster. I've covered this in another video, so check that out. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips.